in my opinion, we retrospective. I mean, why? Because it's a good feedback. Of course, I hope we will not ever have the same launch as we had it, not tested without any preparation. But still, I think we need to have this feedback and to understand what was good, what was well, and what could we improve, and and what we will
for the next launch of the decentralized blockchain.
It can be not like a next launch. It can be update to BetaNet 2. It can be like every time you will. In this company, we will every time we'll find what to launch. Next. I mean that we need to do a lot of stuff.
Sure. The best we could. We also don't have like unlimited resources, and our people worked really literally through nights, and it's not an excuse. I'm just still putting that in the perspective. And the question was, of course, I guess would be like, why did we have to do that in such a rush? But I think now you all understand why did we have to do that in such a rush. I mean, it obviously was the right time, I think, to do that. From the PR, publicity standpoint, from everything. I mean, if we would try to start it today, that would be totally, completely different story. So I hope nobody now has any questions about why we had to start so early without, being able to prepare everything, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I am like, you understand now that we had to do that. It was absolutely great time to do that, I think, in current circumstances. And the fact that we actually did it, despite all that, I think it's a great spirit from everyone, from absolutely everyone. And thank you very much for your what you did. I mean, like everyone here, and sleepless nights of your DevOps, and that's all I think is showing great spirit in this project. I hope to continue like that, not like that in terms of this time pressure. And I don't think going forward, I don't think we will ever need that pressure, meaning there is no kind of, at least I don't know now any event in time next 2-3 months, whatever, where we will have to launch something, even change something for a particular date. I just don't see that pressure anymore. So I hope that never repeats itself, and everything else we do will be well planned and executed, despite the fact that we still want to do everything like in a pretty kind of condensed amount of time. Like, definitely we don't have years to do that with $200 million in a bank or $1.7 billion in a bank. And obviously we want to make it decentralized as quickly as possible, but yet not that quickly. That's all I want to say, really.
We can prepare the draft for proposals. These are numbers, yes, and the table where each party can vote yes or no, or discuss it on the chat. Maybe about numbers, maybe about some details, maybe to look inside what they...
Yeah, we need a very structured discussion.
Yes,
so
yes.
Table is good.
Yes, I mean like three contests, it's already a lot. And if you will have more, maybe we will not should discuss it on Monday. Yes, I mean, don't do it together, everything. If someone wants to propose something on Monday, or I mean to vote tomorrow, they need to draft the document, final document, to propose it to the chat, and that's all. And we need to read it, to push everyone, and to vote. And if everything okay, we will publish our first proposals on Monday. And as Mitya already maybe didn't mention about the proposals, to announce retrospective, but still we will speak about contests because of the question. So as I know, like on the free TON, we will have something like interface for the proposals, where in the next proposals we can with simple UI interface, so we can make a draft of this proposal on the discourse forum. Then we will commit it on the website with a PDF file with hash of this proposal, and it will be published on the website of FreeTON. And then we can vote on chain on this proposal. So I think this stuff will be ready on Monday, but until Monday we already have some commitments, so we will do it on the table, like first proposals of first contest.
So we're putting discourse forum now up on FreeTON.org, and also this page for the contests, but only us, meaning only people with actual wallets, will be able to submit the proposal from the forum to the contest page. So we avoid the spam proposals on the official page.
And this is why we need a forum. So anyone who wants to create a proposal will make a draft of proposal on this forum, and then anyone from these 23 people who has already tokens can propose proposal to governance decision. So now it's only on the chat, and then it will be a forum where anyone can propose anything.
Can you because we will publish that video.
Discourse will be public for everyone, and the proposal, as I understand, will be for users who has tokens. So I mean, you can create a draft of the proposal on Discourse, anyone, and anyone from these 23 people can propose to the governance decision. And later, of course, I mean, maybe we need to use GitHub for some like more development proposal.
I think we have about 35 or something, which is normal because we had 18 validators, I guess, signed initial members. So 2 times 2, so it should be 30.
No. 10 of them are from TON Labs, and 5 of them are ours.
Yes, I know. We still have not full list of validators, and let's
maybe if someone has some technical problems, please write them in the chat, and maybe we can try to help.
I think Mita, I can collect pub keys because we don't have identity, and to check that everyone has like 2 nodes.
Well, we know that there are 2, I think, 2 people that are still talking with Artyom, and he's helping them. But apart from that, everyone else, we should have more nodes. But it's increasing actually. It was 32, now it's 35. So I hope next elections, which starts in.
I think some validators, and we do sometimes miselections because they are, for example, late at night, and we're just sleeping, and that's why we are working on automating the process.
Need to automate, yeah.